So I just cracked the rocker cover, tappet cover off this side and got on the flywheel, spun it over, and valves were all working, push rods were working, so I went okay. Bit of crud down in there, bit of rust, there's water everywhere, it's been out in the weather, so I thought, well, that's good, I'll go around the other side, pop the rocker cover off. That to me is a termite's mound or nest. That's on the side of 7, 5, 3 and 1 head. Yeah, I thought it was all rusted out, but well, there's a fair bit of rust there. So might not get this water out, might be mud. It's blocked up in there. It's the thermostat housing. So I don't know. Get on the engine stand hopefully tomorrow and see what's in the sump. Oh, I can see a cockroach living in there. Cockroach living in there. There he is. He's trying to get out of the light. There he is. Give it a bit of a smack and see what comes out. Oh, might have a better look in the daylight. Yeah, this is my first ever strip down of an engine. So we'll see what happens.